fine. Chalice echo calling me, a tune of fire sets me free. Chalice echoes, let it be in the rhythm, unity. The moonlight bends, shapes the night. Stars are drumming, flashing light. Roots grow steady, the earth hums back. A steady pulse on this track. Chalice echo calling me, a tune of fire sets me free. Chalice echoes, let it be in the rhythm, unity. Yeah, the rhythm is the guide. Feel it move, let it slide. Every heartbeat, every sound. Chalice echoes all around. Chalice echoes calling me, a tune of fire sets me free. Chalice echoes, let it be in the rhythm, unity.
The morning rise up like a lion roar. Sunlight creeping through me bamboo door. The air so sweet like honey on the shore. Yesterday's worries, may not keep them no more. The morning call me name. Oh, the morning heal me pain. Oh, the morning shine again. Oh, the morning, my soul be free again. Birds them chatter like a secret tone. Roots in the earth keep me spirit bone. Me heart beat steady, no care fi go. The sky so open, the world unfold. Hear the rhythm of the ocean deep. stand still, but my soul won't sleep. The morning I promise me always keep. Oh, the morning call me name. Oh, the morning heal me pain. Oh, the morning shine again. Oh, the morning, the soul be free again. The morning rise, the morning fall. Still my spirit answer the morning call. The morning rise, the morning fall. Still my spirit answer the morning call. Footsteps fall on ancient sand. The drum beat calls across the land. The sun it rises slow and bright, chasing shadows from the night. Echoes of Jah, they guide my way through the darkness into day. Oh, echoes of Jah, I hear them say, love will never fade away. Waves crash soft against the shore, whispering truths from days of yore. The wind it carries a sacred song, telling us where we belong. Echoes of Jah, they guide my way through the darkness into day.
sun on my back. The earth is calling and I'm staying on track. Roots run deep where the green grows high. The herb lines humming under cobalt sky. Herb line, pass it down slow. Herb line, watch the good vibes grow. Ooh. Herb line, feel the rhythm flow. One by one, we rise, we glow. Smoke curls like whispers in the evening air. A little piece of heaven we've got to share. The wind carries secrets through the mango tree. The herb line's wisdom rides the ocean breeze. Roll it up, light it up, let it be. A circle of love, unity is the key. Through the haze, we find clarity. The herb line heals, it sets us free. Herb line, pass it down slow. Herb line, watch the good vibes grow. Yeah. Herb line, feel the rhythm flow. One by one, we rise, we glow. So plant your seeds, let the rhythm play. The herb line's calling, we'll meet halfway. Underneath the stars, where the stories stay. The herb line lingers, it leads the way. The storm, but my feet can't find a reason to rise, to step, to grind. Morning breath, oh, it hits like a wave. Morning breath, it's a mood I can't say. Morning breath, yeah, it lingers and stays. Oh, morning breath, it's my reggae. The coffee's cold, but the toaster's hot. My mirror says I'm a mess, but I'm not. Last night's dreams are the only the dub track spinning in my head, basslines thumping while I crawl out of bed. Toothpaste promise, but they haven't been kept. Morning breath, oh, it's the vibe I set. In the sky, shadows move, but they can't lie. The earth hums low, a holy sigh. Oh Zion, we fly. Echoes bounce, the rhythm flows. Roots dig deep where the green grass grows. Breath of Zion, the fire glows. Guiding hearts where the river knows. Breath of Zion, blowing strong, keeps us steady, keeps us long. Breath of Zion, hear the song, guides the right, rights the wrong. Under stars that never fade, in the valley where dreams are made. Breath of Zion, unafraid. sweet, every note a soul's heartbeat. Connection, earth, take me high, lift my spirit, touch the sky. One love, one flame, never die. One love, one flame, never die. The wind, she whispers secrets low through leaves that dance with shadows grow. Her rhythm rolls like tides at sea. She hums a tune, it sets me free. The wind, she come to sing. Her voice, it got a swing. The wind, she got no king, but she rule everything. She bent the tree, she kissed the sand. A rebel song across the land. Her breath ignite, the embers glow. A burning truth we all should know. Feel a call, feel a rise. Carry hope beneath the sky. The wind, she come to sing. Her voice, it got a swing. Smoke rising high through the mango trees. Heat dancing wild on the ocean breeze. A spark, a flame, a story untold. Fire burning, burning bright. Fire burning through the night. Fire burning, can't contain. Fire burning in my veins. Ashes whisper secrets to the stars. Rhythm of the drum beating near and far. Fingers catch the ember, hearts catch the flame. Fire burning, burning bright. Fire burning through the night. Hey. Fire burning, can't contain. Fire burning in my veins. Tell me now, can you feel the heat? Every heartbeat, every pulse, every beat. This fire's alive, it's got its own soul. Fire burning, burning bright. Fire burning through the night. Yeah. fire burning on. Keep the fire, keep it strong. Burn it bright all night long. Keep the fire burning on. Slow like a whispering breeze. Smoke rises up from the tallest trees. Sunset gold, it melts the sky. One puff closer to feeling high. Ocean of earth, let it flow, let it flow. Take me where the green tides grow. Ocean of earth, let it flow, let it flow. Catch the rhythm, let your mind blow. Roots so deep, they touch the core. Every leaf's a key to another door. Breathe in deep, let the moment stay. Chasing shadows of a brighter day. Drifting wide, no need to steer. The smoke clears the weight of fear. Ocean of earth, let it flow, let it flow. Take me where the green tides go. Ocean of earth, let it flow, let it flow. Catch the rhythm, let your mind glow. Speaks truth in the grooves, the sound it leaks. Lost in the fog, but I'm never alone. The ocean calls and I find my home. When the sun kissed the horizon bright, them chains no longer hold me tight. My spirit soar to higher heights. Rise up in the fire, oh rise. Burn the lies in the ember skies. Rise shadow dies.
up the sky. Rhythm so heavy it makes you fly. Feet on
on the ground, but you're reaching high. Echo bounce, bounce, like stars collide. Sound of the fight, the fire ignite. Dance all alive in the cool moonlight. Sound of the fire, its roots, its life. Feel it burn, feel it bright. Bassline rumble deep in your chest. Heartbeat sync, you know it's blessed. Smoke in shadows, no time for rest. Rhythm flow, flow, let Jah do the rest. When the dub drops low and the spirits start to show. Sounding of the fight, the fire ignite. Dance all alive in the cool moonlight. Sounding of the fire, its roots, its life. Feel it burn, feel it bright. Every note like a wave in the sea. Carry you far, set your mind so free. Ancient rhythm, modern prophecy. Dub echo, echo, Jah unity. step, one breath, one heart to mend. The valley's wisdom has no end. One step, one breath, one heart to mend. The valley's wisdom has no end. One step, one breath, one heart to mend. The valley's wisdom has no end. The stars fall close when the night is deep. Dreams run wild where the spirits leave. It's not just a place, it's a state of mind, a rhythm of life that's hard to find. thought. Through the valley, over the rocks, flowing wide, flowing deep, carrying secrets it will keep. Where the river goes, I go too. Through the storm, through the blue. Where the river goes, life breaks through. It knows the way, it always do. The sun go down, the moon arise. Water glisten under midnight sky. The current hums a song so true. It whispers old, it whispers new. Oh, the river speaks, but soft and low, telling tales only it will know. Where the river goes, I go too. Through the storm, through the blue. Where the river goes, life breaks through. It knows the way, it always do. Where the river goes, I go too. Through the storm, through the blue. Where the river goes, life breaks through. It knows the way,